Most people waste $2,000 on the wrong stackable washer dryer, then spend the next 5 years regretting it every single laundry day. I analyzed hundreds of consumer reports and thousands of buyer complaints to find the 6 combinations that don't suck. One secret? The cheapest option on this list outperforms machines costing twice as much. Another truth nobody mentions? There's a premium feature that every salesperson pushes. It's completely worthless. And number 1 will shock you because it's not what big box stores want you buying. Product links in description. Here's what's different. I'm exposing which features are designed to drain your wallet and which budget picks secretly destroy premium models. Real quick, team separate stackable units or team all-in-one tower? Comment now, because the data contradicts everything you think you know. Number 6, Whirlpool WM3400CW. Everyone dismisses compact units. Big mistake. This 24-inch wide machine fits where 27-inch models fail. That 3-inch difference determines installation success in closets built before appliances got bloated. Auto-dry sensors stop the number 1 disaster. Shrinking your favorite shirts into doll clothes. Smooth wave stainless steel basket prevents snags that cost you hundreds replacing damaged clothing. Real-world data reveals something surprising. This operates quieter than competitors, costing $500 more. Verified owners run midnight cycles without waking anyone. Easy view glass lid lets you monitor wash without opening and triggering error codes. Here's where it gets interesting. You're thinking smaller capacity means more work. Wrong. For singles or couples, 4 small loads weekly consumes less water and energy than filling a massive drum twice. They don't tell you this. Price, $1,248. Verdict, tight space with normal needs. This executes flawlessly. That's the budget pick. But here's what happens when capacity actually matters. Number 5, LG WM3400CW washer with DLE3400W dryer. Capacity jumps, 4.5 cubic feet washer, 7.4 cubic feet dryer. But capacity isn't the story. LG's 6-motion technology sounds like marketing garbage. It's not. The drum uses 6 patterns: rolling, stepping, scrubbing, swinging, tumbling, filtration. Heavy jeans get punished, delicate fabrics get pampered. Consumer Reports confirms this outperforms single-motion drums. Cold wash matches warm water cleaning using cold water. For annual savings, $50 to $80 on electricity. Critical detail, requires separate stacking kit, $30 to $40, 30-minute install. If one unit dies in 7 years, replace just that unit instead of scrapping an entire $2,000 center. True Balance anti-vibration proved itself. Second floor owners report 0 vibration. Reality check. Door gasket demands disciplined cleaning. Leave door cracked, wipe gasket weekly, or mold develops. Pricing, $1,066 to $1,798. Verdict. Solid mid-range handling family loads. 6-motion works, but demands discipline. Stop here. What's destroying your laundry experience right now? That musty smell? Vibration shaking your floors? Takes 2 hours to dry towels? Comment below because your specific problem determines which machine you actually need. Number 4, GE profile. UltraFresh PFW870 SSVWW and PFD87ESSVWW. Capacity escalates. 5.3 cubic feet washer, 7.8 cubic feet dryer. Here's what matters. UltraFresh vent system. Plus, with odor block, solves why people hate front loaders. That disgusting musty smell making clean clothes smell dirty. After each cycle, sensors detect moisture, then automatically run fans for 8 hours, eliminating mold and stench. Verified buyers who battled front loader funk called out the difference. Complete elimination. Microban antimicrobial technology inhibits bacterial growth. Insurance against forgetting maintenance. Smart Dispense holds 32 loads of detergent, auto-releasing precise amounts. Annual savings, $20 to $30. Steam Sanitize kills 99% of bacteria, independently verified. For households with kids, compromised immunity, or gym clothes that smell like death, this becomes essential. Smart HQ app works. Remote start, notifications, maintenance alerts. Cost, $2,065 to $2,636. Verdict, battled front loader odor and lost? This wins. Top 3 change everything. Because they solve problems you didn't even know you had. Number 3, Electrolux ELFW7537AW washer and ELFG7537AW dryer. Innovation separates from incremental improvements here. Capacity, 4.5 cubic feet. But Electrolux built something different. LuxCare Plus wash system distributing detergent evenly from cycle start. Why this matters? Uneven distribution is why some clothes emerge spotless while others keep stains. Pure rinse for sensitive skin households. Standard washers leave invisible residue. Pure rinse removes 95% more. For eczema or sensitivities, this transforms which clothes become wearable versus torture. Perfect steam releases from drum bottom penetrating fabrics effectively. Superior removal of set-in stains, red wine, grass, oil spots. Nobody discusses this. Reversible door. Most washers lock one direction. Awkward laundry configuration? This solves it. 15-minute fast wash actually works. Genuinely cleans, achieving 90% of normal cycle power. Perfect balance eliminates vibration. Zero vibration transfer. Trade-off. Electrolux reliability data shows slightly higher repair rates after year 5 versus LG or GE. Pricing. $879 to $1,759. Verdict. Best-in-class stain removal for sensitive skin. Reversible door and fast cycle differentiate. Except potential earlier repairs. Now everything changes, because our top two don't just improve stackable laundry, they fundamentally redesign what stackable means. Or number 2, WKEX200HBA WashTower. This machine challenges conventional wisdom. Single integrated unit, not two machines, stacked. Washer bottom, dryer top, control panel at chest height. No reaching overhead until your shoulder aches. No bending down, straining your back. Capacity, 4.5 cubic feet washer, 7.4 cubic feet dryer. Center control. AI automatically selects optimal wash cycles, then tells dryer which cycle to run. Put clothes in, press start. Dryer knows what to do. Zero thinking required. Turbo wash. 360 completes large loads under 30 minutes. Independent testing confirms comparable cleaning to 50-minute cycles. Space genius. Traditional pairs need 27 by 32 to 34 inches. WashTower needs 27 by 30 inches. That 2 to 4 inch depth savings determines installation success or failure. Allergene removes 95% of allergens, certified by Asthma and Allergy Foundation. ThinQ adds remote start and maintenance alerts predicting problems before catastrophic failure. But here's the truth that hurts. Single unit means if either fails catastrophically, you're replacing the entire unit or facing repair bills that make you sick. At $2,065 to $2,398, that's meaningful money at risk. Door swing fixed, cannot reverse. Reliability solid through year 3. Issues start years 4 to 5. Verdict, revolutionary ergonomic design that works. AI delivers, except failure risk gets expensive fast. One combination beats even this revolutionary design. It wins by perfecting fundamentals instead of reinventing everything. Last question before the winner. What matters more? Cutting-edge innovation that impresses friends? Or rock-solid reliability that just works for a decade? Comment below, because number 1 balances both perfectly. Number 1, LG WM4000HWA washer with DLEX4000W dryer. Here's why this earned top spot. Capacity, 4.5 cubic feet washer, 7.4 cubic feet dryer. But capacity is just entry level. What separates this? Turbo wash, 360 refined to peak performance, enhanced spray jets, improved pressure, optimized drum patterns. Consumer Reports testing shows superior stain removal versus other turbo wash models, including cheaper LG versions. Built-in AI learns your preferences. Consistently adjusts settings for certain fabrics. AI adapts future suggestions. Steam Allergene removes 95% of allergens in traditional, stackable format, offering replacement flexibility. Cold wash maintains effectiveness with 30% energy reduction. Over 5 years, $200 to $300 returning to your pocket. ThinQ works flawlessly. Remote notifications mean moving clothes promptly, preventing musty smell. Difference between sweet-smelling laundry and rewashing entire loads. Here's why this earned number 1. Reliability data nobody else shows you. LG's track record. 15 to 20% fewer repair rates through year 7 versus competitors. That's actuarial data from warranty providers and repair services tracking thousands of units, not marketing promises. Closet depth, 30.25 inches. Fits standard closets, maximizing capacity. Many closet depth models sacrifice interior space. LG maintained full 4.5 cubic feet. Low decibel operation makes this among quietest pairs available. Owners chose this for second floor installations where noise complaints destroy neighbor relationships. Price, $1,759 to $2,086. Honest downsides, control panel can lag initially. Must maintain gasket or face odor issues. Why number 1, balances capacity, performance, smart features, reliability, and price better than any competitor. Doesn't win every category, but places top 3 in every critical factor. That consistency makes it safest recommendation for widest range of buyers who want excellent laundry without gambling. Want cutting-edge innovation? WashTower delivers. Need best stain removal for sensitive skin? Electrolux wins. Want reliable, excellent cleaning for 7 to 10 years? WM3400CW and DLEX4000W execute. Now you know which stackable washer dryers actually dominate 2026 and why. Each earned position through verified performance data, not marketing lies. Check description for updated pricing and purchase links. Or comment which you're choosing and why. I read every response. Subscribe for more appliance breakdowns that save you thousands by exposing what salespeople hide.